What do you rate this fidget?
A 8 out of 10.
What do you rate this simple dimple?
I like the design, so I'll rate it a 9 out of 10.
What do you rate this puppet?
I like the pop, so I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
What do you rate this infinity cube?
A 8 out of 10.
What do you rate this?
I think so far the best one, and I'll rate it a 10 out of 10.
What do you rate this one?
I like the pops. I'll rate it an 8 out of 10.
What do you rate this?
I like how there's letters on it, and it's a pumpkin, so I'll rate it a 9 out of 10.
What do you rate this?
I rate it a 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching.